best case scenario, it is thrifty, easy, and delicious. Hey there, welcome to our channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all come on in. Today's recipe is circa 1968. We are gonna have some wiener lattes. That's what they called it. It's like a twist on a hot dog and it sounded really good. I mean, we love chili dogs, so we're gonna give this one a shot and see how it turns out. All right, these ingredients could not get any easier. They are basic pantry staples. You're gonna need some chili, just a canned chili with no beans. Some tomato sauce, some minced onion, some hot sauce, cheddar cheese, hot dogs, and tortillas. Now the recipe, as written, is for 2 cans of no bean chili. Well, I don't have 2 cans. I have 1 can of no bean chili and I have 1 can with chili with beans. So we're gonna make it work. You got it? I'm not running to the store. Let's do it. Okay, now my hot dogs are not as big as my tortillas. So I'm assuming that you need like the little small taco tortillas. So what I'm gonna do, because I don't want to eat all that extra bread, is we're just gonna come in here and cut this off. Just like that. And I'm gonna roll them up this way. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of the no bean chili, since that's the one it calls for. And we're gonna put that on our tortilla. We grab us a hot dog and we're just gonna roll that hot dog up just like that. And I put too much in there. Don't need quite 2 tablespoons, y'all. And we need to spray our pan. And we're gonna set that seam side down inside our pan. Okay, we don't need quite 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna go with this. About 1.5 tablespoons maybe. We're gonna roll our hot dog. Seam side down. On to the next one. Here we go. Yeah, it's about 1.5 tablespoons, I think, is plenty. Because we're going to add that other can and the rest of this can. Now the recipe is actually for 10 hot dogs. But Randy and I do not need 10 hot dogs. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put about 1.5 tablespoons on each one of our tortillas. And then we're just going to keep doing that until we have all of our hot dogs. Okay, now that my hot dogs are all situated in my casserole dish, I'm going to set it aside. And I'm going to take a small bowl and I'm going to take the rest of the chili that I didn't use and put it in here, and I'm going to add the other can. And then I need I need 1 solid cup of tomato sauce. Then I need 1 tablespoon of minced onion. And 1/2 teaspoon of red hot sauce. I use Crystal. Now we're just going to give that a good stir. Get it all combined. Easy peasy. Just like that. Now we're going to pour that mixture all over our hot dogs. Give it a good little go. I'm going to get that all over, just like that. And then we're going to take our cheese and go all over the top. Now I'm just using shredded cheddar cheese, but you could use like a Tex-Mex cheese or pepper jack. Any of them would be really good. Awesome, awesome. Now all we have to do is put it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. In case you're wondering why I put the casserole dish all the way down on the bottom, on my toaster oven, it says bake right there. So that's where I put it. One says bagel, one says, broil. Anyway, the bottom one is the bake one, so that's where it is. And to go with our little wiener lattes, we're going to have some yellow rice, which Randy can link wherever in La La Land he puts that, and then you can see how I make yellow rice. But I think that'll make a real good accompaniment to dinner. All right, my dinger hasn't went off. I had it set for 40 minutes, but it looks really good at about 37 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. They look like hot doggy tamales to me. They do look good. We're gonna get it plated up. And Randy's gonna give us a taste test. All right, Randy, taste test time. Come on.
Hot doggy and tamale.
This really is a taste test
Whoop,
because
I left that out.
never done that before.
Yeah, this is going to be a first for me. If you see this video, that means it was like edible.
Better more than edible.
It's going to be interesting. I can't get something like that big. Let's see how this goes. I'm anticipating something tasting like a chili dog.
Yeah, it's going to taste like a chili dog.
That's actually pretty darn good.
I thought it would be. I mean, I checked the recipe out and I thought, yeah, this will be great.
Yeah, Tammy was inside. She was thumbing through her book, that recipe book, and she goes, oh, that's what I want to do.
Yeah, I have all that. Yeah, I have all that.
Very good. Hot doggy tamale.
Yep, hot doggy tamale. That's what we're going to call it.
Okay. Just make sure you use some good hot dogs or chicken dogs.
Those are chicken dogs.
Chicken dogs. Very good. All right. I'm going to go ahead, take my plate, and get to work.
All right.
We will see you guys later.
Like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.